Howdy. How are you? It's your old buddy Hillbilly Chuck. You hear that noise? Yeah. Try and go to sleep with that all night, huh? Let me show you what it is. That's great, right? Nope. So we're getting a new kitchen put in, and they came out and broke the pipe. The contractor came out and said, why don't you turn the water off? To which the boys that were working on the job said, I don't know. I came home and I just went, that's very expensive wood flooring. So underneath that is that good wood flooring. It's already buckling. So when this guy broke the pipe in the kitchen, that pipe created a moat that goes around my kitchen because of all the water that was flowing out. All that water went out the front door. That was a lot of water. There was also the main line that broke. So this was fun, listening to this all night long. The water even went through our laundry room. But like I always tell my wife, there's a silver lining to everything. And for the first time in 5 years, the floors are really clean. She didn't like it either. Fellas, fellarettes, listen. When you buy a home, this is the stuff that goes along with it. This is called homeownership. And it's stupid. We get new floors. She wants to keep the old ones. We're getting new floors. Stay updated. Keep the faith.